Welcome to another EasyJobs tutorial. Today, we will learn how to embed a career page, jobs list, or a single job post using EasyJobs shortcodes on your WordPress site. Let's begin. First, make sure your EasyJobs account is connected to your WordPress website through API or login info. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to EasyJobs plugin dashboard. Then, select Settings and tap the Shortcodes option. You will find EasyJobs shortcodes for the full career page, the complete job list, and each active job post. Click on the copy icon beside your preferred option to collect the EasyJobs shortcodes. To add the job items on your preferred page, open it in the classic editor. Now, paste the copied shortcode where you want the items to appear. Once done, hit the Publish button. Click the Preview Changes button to see the job post items embedded successfully through shortcodes. Now go to the EasyJobs shortcodes options again from your WordPress dashboard. Copy the shortcode of another item to use it in the Gutenberg editor. Open the page where you want to embed job items in Gutenberg. Click the plus icon and search for shortcode to add the default shortcode block. Paste the copied shortcode into the block you just added. Hit the Publish button to embed the item. Let's have a look at how the job items embedded with shortcodes appear on your website. This is how you can use EasyJobs shortcodes to display job items easily on a WordPress site. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more EasyJobs tips and tutorials.